let's take up the next numerical, which reads: police van moving on a highway with a speed of 30 km/h fires a bullet at a thief's car speeding away in the same direction with the speed of 192 km/h. If the muzzle speed of the bullet is 150 m/s, with what speed does the bullet hit the thief's car? So here we know that a thief's car is speeding away at 192 km/h and the police is chasing him at a speed of 30 km/h. And you see the police fires a gun and the muzzle speed of the bullet is 150 m/s. You notice that this is in meter/s, whereas these two are in km/h. So we have to convert these two quantities also into meter/s. So let's get started with the solution. So what is the speed with which the police car is moving? I represent it by Vp. P stands for the police car, which is 30 km/h. Now since we have to convert this into meter/s, I multiply it by 5/18. So it is 6 3s are 6 5s are, which is nothing but 25/3 meter/s. Now the thief's car is moving or speeding away at 192 km/h. So we convert this also into meter/s by multiplying it with 5/18. 2 9s are 18 and this becomes 12. 2 6s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 3 2s are. We multiply this. 5 into 2 is 10. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. So this becomes 160 divided by 3 meter/s. Also the muzzle speed of the bullet is given, so I represent it by Vm, which is 150 meter/s. Now what do you mean by muzzle speed? To understand this, say this is the police car, which is actually chasing the thief's car. So this is the thief's car. So the police fires a bullet from the police car. So this is Vp and this is Vt. So this is actually the muzzle speed. So the muzzle speed is the speed with which actually the gun emerges out of the barrel of the gun. So the bullet emerges out of the barrel of the gun. So it is the initial speed with which the bullet is actually ejected out from the barrel of the gun, and that is what you mean by muzzle speed of the bullet. That actually contributes to the actual speed with which the bullet is going to travel through the trajectory. Now, since the police car is in motion and the gun is in the police car, so the gun is also traveling with the speed as same as the speed of the police car. So what will be the speed of the bullet? When you are calculating the speed of the bullet, you have to take the initial speed with which it actually comes out of the barrel of the gun, which is nothing but the muzzle speed, plus the speed of the police car, because the gun is also traveling with the same speed as the speed of the police car. So that becomes the total speed of the bullet. So what is the speed of the bullet? Speed of the bullet should be equal to speed of the police car plus the muzzle speed of the bullet. So we know these quantities. Now if I represent the speed of the bullet as Vb, the speed of the police car is 25/3 meter/s. So I just substituted here, which is 25 by 3. And the muscle speed is 150. So this is 150 divided by 1. Now if you take the LCM, this becomes 3. This is 25. So this you multiply by 3, this becomes 450. So when you add this, it becomes 475 divided by 3 meter per second. No. So this is the speed of the bullet. Now is this what we were supposed to calculate? Let's find out. We have to find out the speed with which the bullet hits the thief's car. So since we have to find out the speed respective to the thief's car, we have to take into account the relative velocity of the bullet with respect to the thief's car. So all the frames of reference are in motion, so hence we take the relative motion. So we calculate the speed of the bullet with respect to thief's car. That will be VB minus VT by definition. VB is 475 by 3. VT is 160 divided by 3. So you take the LCM, it will be 3. So this is 475 minus 160, which is nothing but 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 315 by 3. So this will be, you can divide it, 3. 3 ones are 3. So this becomes 0. You take 1. In order to borrow 5, you put a 0 here. You borrow 5. So it is 3 5s are 15. So the relative velocity of the bullet with respect to the train is 105 meter per second. This is the required answer.